Welcome everybody. Carole here in my art room today. I'm going to do over this canvas I didn't like this one. I had one before that I really liked. And the cells came out much bigger in this one. So I think the problem was the black on the top that you're swiping with. This is supposed to be thinner, like pretty thin, so that when it goes over, it does the cells easier, makes the cells. And then when you put the silicone on, it really reacts with the cells. So I've mixed up some black oxide Amsterdam, and it's pretty thin. It's got a bit of floetrol in it. So I'm going to use up some of my paints that I've had sitting around, give them a good shake. So this is a orange and red, or yellow and red mixed together. I made an orange, and I'm going to do just random colors. It doesn't have to be in lines. It can be if you like, but you can do it any way you like. This way I only have to do maybe the color once. This is a rose pink, rose quartz, level 2 artist loft. I'll just let some of it run down. And I have some lighter rose pink. I want some bright colors under here, under the black. I've done this random pouring like this, and I've done a balloon. Oh, sorry about that. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I just went and unplugged the compressor. My husband's doing a bit of construction down here. He forgot to unplug it. So this is pretty much done now. I can wash out my bottles and start fresh. They look pretty. I'll throw a little bit of yellow in there. This is a really bright yellow. Whoa! Forgot how bright this was. This is a cad yellow light hue, Liquitex Basics. That ought to be pretty. I'll throw a bit of metallic purple in here, and I think that should be enough. Just trying to fill in the little holes now. Some more. pull the black over, the colors will all fill in. I'm just checking some of the bigger spaces here. This is a wooden canvas. It's 8 by 8. So I'm going to do a swipe, and then I'm going to do a string pull on top. Okay. All right, so let's, I have my black. And I think I have enough color down. So, where should I run it? I'll run my black across the top. See how thin this is. It just runs off almost like water. I just hope it's thin enough. I used to do swipes and string pulls back in some of my beginning videos. But I did the regular string pull, you know, where you put it in the design and put it through, and some of them look really nice. But Fiona did it a different way. She layered her string in the silicone, or she put this silicone on the string. This is like knitting cotton with her fingers. It worked out pretty good. All right, so I have this, like it's like mylar, like you would use to put your papers in. I just cut it up, and I'll go this way. So I'm just gonna touch it to the end. Come on, cells. There we go. There's some coming through right now. So I've taken some WD-40 silicone. Let's see if I can. Oh darn! This is out. I have to fill it. I'll be right back. Okay, more are coming through. All right. So I've got some of my wool, and I've got my WD-40 poured into here. And then I run my finger I feel like I should dip it in. I don't feel like I get enough on when I do it the other way. Try this. guess I just need to make sure it's good and wet on my finger. Oh, this one's got a lot on it. I could see it soaking. Whoops. Oh, I think I put too much on that one. Oh, it might make a big flower, bigger flower. I'm happy about it. At least the cells are bigger. Let's see if I can put this pointy thing in some. So that seems to work. All right, I'm going to take this one off now. Oh, that's so cool. I'll take this one off. Ooh, look at that one. That one had a lot of silicone on there. Now, I need to do one more. One more. I guess that's enough because it doesn't seem to be doing it as much at the top. That's where the black is thicker than it is down here. See. Okay, I'm going to take this up. There, that's so pretty. Okay, I think that's enough. All right, I'm gonna torch it a bit. There we go, I'm done. Oh, these sills just kept growing and growing. Anyway, I think it's cute. It's lovely. Have a great day, everybody. Please come back to my art room and see more. Subscribe, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Hit it twice, you'll hit the all button, and you'll get all my videos and you'll get notified for them. All right. Have a great day. Bye-bye.